So I like to feed my family really well, and I like to eat more of a carnivore-based diet because that's where all the bioavailable essential nutrients are, and that kid hates everything. I wanted to try chicken livers today with some ground beef, so I threw it in my cast iron pan with some amazing pasture-raised eggs from a local farm, and put it into the cast iron pan to make a little bit of an omelet. And obviously I'm going to use Dollar Rub Club, dollarrubclub.com for some extra flavor. And Alex actually loves spicy food, so I'm going to throw these peppers in there as well. And when you get these a little bit of peppers on there and spread them around, the flavor really just spreads throughout the entire omelet. So let's check it out. Thumbs up? Mm-hmm. Give me a thumbs up. So to get him to do a thumbs up on anything is awesome because he hates almost all my food. Then I try to get him to eat real liver, and this was his reply. Will you try it? No. You won't try it? Why not?
I don't want a chicken liver.
And then... Not even a bite? Afterwards, I went upstairs for the big reveal and told him. In your eggs was chicken liver. So you can feed your kids liver, you just gotta hide it in the eggs. Love your kids, feed them organ meats.